Hi guys, Bart Baggett here. We have had an incredible demand for more community classes. And it's been a long time. Remember a couple of years ago, we had like classes every week during that crazy time in the world. We're trapped at home, but we need our community back. So I've asked Pooja Saran to do a really cool class, and she's doing a class on how to change your brain through graphotherapy. So those of you that are part of our handwriting analysis community, our life designers, our counselors around the world, you're going to love this class because she's going to dig deep into the neuroscience of why it actually works, that changing your neural pathways by moving parts of your body, i.e. fingers, can actually change your brain. Now, obviously, you want to change your brain and you want to change your clients and your friends' brain because the thoughts are the reasons most people struggle. The internal thoughts, the internal ideas, the belief systems about the world, about money, about health, about fitness, about just motivating yourself to get out of bed and go to the gym. So if you want to learn how to change your brain, there's a masterclass coming up. It's for our community only. So please check the link below this video. Check your email box. We've sent you reminders. If you're not getting emails from Handwriting University, please check your spam folder. And once you register for this class, open up the email, hit reply, and let us know you got it. Does it make sense? Because we want to be in contact with you. And this isn't the only class. We've got a number of live classes via the Zoom platform that you can attend. They're like 7 o'clock in the morning in the US and California, 10 o'clock in the morning, and then, of course, in the evening in India and around the world. I'm not sure your time zone, but please register. If you do miss the class, we'll invite you to the next one because you're going to be on our list. But please come live because we don't plan on making a replay. We'd like to have a full class. We'd like to have you interact and ask questions. But what Pooja's going to talk about is pretty cool because she has figured out from the years of counseling individuals what the most common limiting beliefs are and what exercises from graphotherapy actually work and which ones kind of don't work. So if you want an insight into what works, which letter to change, which exercise, some people can change their golf swings. Some people can be better speakers. A friend of mine actually was able to speak again after a car accident because of one simple graphotherapy exercise that he did with his fist and a crayon, because that's all he could do, and he got his voice back. And we'll talk about that story and more. But the important thing is we want you to learn the pieces of the puzzle that changing your handwriting can change your brain. So during this 90-minute masterclass, she's going to go over some practical techniques to rewire your brain. She's going to help you understand the neuroscience behind the individual personality traits. She'll talk about some of the most common secrets or personality issues revealed in handwriting analysis. This will be great for both beginners, even if you've never heard of that, or some masters, because she's going to give you her experience as a counselor. And finally, she's going to sort of dig into how the handwriting and specifically you and your clients have limiting beliefs, how to identify them, and as a bonus, how to connect the changing your brain techniques to making more money. It would be great if you could afford to buy whatever you want, when you want, but more importantly, you want to be able to purchase the things that matter for your family and your friends. If you're stuck in a dead-end job and you can't afford the courses you want and you can't afford the clothes you want, I feel for you. But I will tell you, the limiting beliefs are part of the root problem. Once you change those and change your mindset, you will have new opportunities and make new choices. Also, in the community class, we've got other classes coming up this month and next month. They're on money, belief systems, personality, success, joy, happiness, all the things that matter. I mean, even at Handwriting University, although our name is Handwriting University, we don't so much care about handwriting as we care about you. We care about humans. We care about psychology. We care about success and empathy and making a difference. All of that has a great tool, a great lens that we can use, which is a fabulous lens to understand personality and character success. But what we do care about is that your life is better this year than last year. Your life is better next year than this year. And I have collected tools from some amazing, wise people over the last 30 years, and I've collected an amazing group of faculty to teach you these things, whether you're learning it through our basic video system, some of our free courses, the books I've written, or as a member of this community. We want to help you transform your life and transform others. So this is cool. Next class, the class is called Change Your Brain. Our teacher is Pooja Saran. And guess what? It's totally free if you're one of the first 100 people that register. In fact, it's free if you're not, you're just not going to get in. So go ahead and register, leave your name. If we get full, we'll send you an email with another class in a couple of months. My name is Bart Baggett. I'm the founder of Handwriting University. I appreciate being on my email list, on our Facebook page, and I'll see you live in class with Pooja.